From henceforth, you will be going and flowing with the mighty source, swirling and whirling with sheer delight, as the life you once knew is transformed in front of you, literally overnight. With your rose in full bloom, you will be dancing to a brand new tune. For the seeds you have planted long, long ago have been growing and growing, and now the fruits of your labour are about to start showing. Awake every morning in a state of expectant unknowing, and be joyful and grateful for all the blessings as they start showing. Trusting that many, many blessings will soon be showing and flowing and flowering in your world, empowering you and bestowing you with a veritable cornucopia of delights, gifts and treasures, dreams and pleasures. For you are in your harvest season, and this is your greatest time and perfect reason to be graciously receiving.